Good morning, dear students. We will read today the next lesson, lesson 5, Theseus and the Minotaur 1. So let's read the lesson and learn about it. Okay, open the book. Theseus and the Minotaur 1. Please look at the book. Long ago, Athens in Greece was ruled by a king named Pythius. So long ago, Athens in Greece was ruled by whom? Ruled by a king named Pythius. He had a son by the name of Aegeus. So Pythius had a son and his name was Aegeus. One day Aegeus met a lovely maiden in a faraway countryside of the kingdom. Here maiden means unmarried young woman. Okay. So one day Aegeus met a lovely maiden in a faraway countryside of the kingdom. Her name was Ethera. What was her name? Her name was Ethera. Aegeus fell in love with Ethera. So Aegeus fell in love with Ethera. She too liked Aegeus as he was as brave as a lion and also intelligent. So when Aegeus saw Ethera, he liked her. And Ethera also liked Aegeus because he was as brave as a lion and intelligent too. Alright. Okay. Soon they were married and a son was born to them. So they got married and a son was born to them. They named him Theseus. Aegeus could not stay long with Ethera. He was called to Athens by his father. So Aegeus could not stay long time with Ethera because he was called to Athens by his father. Are you getting it? Alright. Now next. Before departing for Athens, he took Ethera to a nearby hilltop. There he dug a pit and buried his sword and sandals. So before going to Athens, he took Ethera to a nearby hilltop. There he dug a pit and buried his sword and sandals. Alright. Now next. After covering the pit with a huge boulder, he said to her, "When our son is able to move this rock, send him to me, and he will be my heir. I will recognize him by these items of mine." So after covering the pit with a huge boulder, boulder means stone. Okay, here I have written boulder means stone or rock. Okay, after covering the pit with a big boulder, big stone, what did he say? He said to her, "When our son is able to move this stone from the pit, you send him to me and he will be my heir." Heir means, here it is written, you see, heir means a person who has a legal right to get property of parents. Okay, so Aegeus said to Ethera that when our son is able to move this stone from the pit, you send him to me and I will make him my heir. And I will recognize him by these items of mine. I will recognize him by these items of mine. What is that item? Can you tell me? Sword and sandals. Okay, by seeing that sword and sandal, I will recognize my son. That is what this Aegeus said to Ethera. Understood? Alright, next. With these words, Aegeus departed for Athens. By saying these words, Aegeus departed for Athens. The young Theseus was brought up by his mother. So young Theseus was brought up by his mother, looked after by his mother. After his 12th birthday, Ethera would take Theseus to the pit on the hilltop every year. So after his 12th birthday, Ethera would take Theseus to the pit on the hilltop every year. Are you getting it? Okay. There she would ask her son to move the stone from the pit. After taking him to that hilltop, she would ask Theseus to remove the stone from that pit. Okay. But Theseus always failed as the stone was too big to be lifted. But Theseus was unable to move that stone from the pit because the stone was too big. It was very big. Okay. The young Theseus would then ask her, "But tell me, mother, what is the secret about this pit? Why is it that you keep asking me to move this huge rock?" So, Theseus asked his mother, "Tell me, mother, what is the reason you ask me to remove this stone from this pit? What is the reason? What is the secret of it?" Okay, that is the question to his mother. Theseus questions to his mother. Now next, "When you manage to move that stone, I will tell you," Ethera would always answer. So what is the answer of Ethera? Ethera would answer always that when you are able to move this stone from the pit, I will tell you. Okay. On the 18th birthday, Theseus and his mother came to the hilltop as usual. So, on the 18th birthday, Theseus and his mother came to the hilltop as usual. Okay. When he became 18 years old, again they have gone to that hilltop. Theseus was now a young man, strong and wise. So this time Theseus is young man. Okay, he has grown up, strong and wise. He had learned many arts and acquired a great deal of wisdom. Theseus has learned many arts and acquired a great deal of wisdom. Okay, he has the knowledge. This time he did not try to lift the stone, but rolled away the rock with the help of a strong stick. So this time Theseus did not try to lift the stone, but what did he do? He rolled away the stone from the pit by the help of a strong stick. In the pit lay a golden sword and a pair of embroidered sandals. Now Ethera told him the secret of their early visit. Okay. So in that pit, what did they find? In that pit there was a sandals, pair of embroidered sandals and a sword. Okay. After finding that, now Ethera told him everything, the secret of their early visit. Did you understand? Okay. Why they were going to that pit every year? That after finding this sword and sandals, Ethera has to say. Okay, Ethera has to tell the secret of visiting that place every year. She told Theseus everything. Okay, so we'll stop the class here. Please read the lesson and learn the word meanings too. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.